Brave Bora. Bora is sitting at the clinic with Baba. Jojo, his stuffed monkey, came too. Jojo is sleeping in Bora's bag. "I don't like needles, they hurt," says Bora. "An injection helps make you healthy. It's okay to be scared, Bora. Baba will be right here with you. And Jojo too." "Bora Baraka?" a loud voice calls. "Let's go, Bora," says Baba. "It's your turn." "Let's come back tomorrow, Baba," says Bora. "Remember what Baba said you will get for being brave enough to get your injection?" asks Baba. "A red lollipop. Okay, I'm coming," says Bora. The doctor smiles at Bora. "Is this your monkey? Can we examine him too?" she asks. Bora looks at Baba, then at Jojo, and nods. "Now it's your turn," she says. "Will you help me give your monkey a small injection so he feels better?" asks the doctor. "Doop," says the doctor as she gives Jojo the monkey an injection. "Now it's your turn. Is that a superhero on your t-shirt?" she asks. "Doop," she says as she gives Bora the injection. "Ouch!" shouts Bora. "Hey, that wasn't so bad." "I know it stings a little, but we're done and you have been very brave," says the doctor. "One red lollipop for our brave Bora."